All right, you guys, let's go ahead and cover Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang, which is TaeGeuk 2. And Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang is part of these 8 different concepts or 8 different chapters. So we had chapter 1, which was Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang, which represents heaven. And the symbol for that is 3 straight lines. You'll see that on the Korean flag. And then the next one is Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang, which represents lake. And it also signifies the idea of disciplined or a resolute mind. And this is 2 straight lines, and then at the top, a broken line. And so you'll see that broken line being a pivot at the very top of the form. Now, this form in particular, we're focusing on our basic punching again, our basic blocks again, but we're punching at a different length. So notice that in TaeGeuk 1, we're doing our walking stance and our jabs, and then we did a long cross, but not that big of a movement. So when we're doing this one, we're going to be doing a long lunging punch, but think about it like this, okay? I jab and punch, okay, see the little step. Now I do this, and I move in and out, and that's the idea of a long lunging punch. So don't think about it as, okay, this is the way I'm going to step and punch. No, I'm going to jab you, boom, and now I'm going to jab you long, boom, and I'm going to move my way in and out. So those are the concepts for the punching inside Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang. Okay, so starting off at TaeGeuk, attention, 경례, and then 준비, basic ready stance. Now from here, we're looking to our side, getting that preparation. Kind of looks like TaeGeuk 1. Palm is facing me, elbows are together. This arm's at a 45-degree angle. I move my foot onto the ball of the foot, and then I pivot quickly as I low block with that hip transition. And then from here, I lift. But this time I drop. We're going into front stance. We're punching long. That's what I was talking about in those lunging punches and lunging punch. Now don't stomp. You should hear sliding, but not stomping. I'm punching at the solar plexus level. Now from here, I'm looking over my shoulder. I prep at that 45-degree angle. I put my weight back onto this leg as I move and pivot. And notice I was here, and then I low block here. I have that walking stance. This foot's at a 45-degree angle. This foot's forward. This hand's back and retracted at the waist. Then I lift, I drop, and front stance. Make sure this back leg is straight. Make sure this front knee is bent. You should not be able to see your toes when you look down at your knee. This foot's forward. This foot is at a 45-degree angle this way. Shoulder is not completely square. It is about 30 degrees canted. So not here, but here, so that way I have that reach. Now from here, we're turning, moving our foot up, and prepping at the same time. So I got the prep because I'm going to turn. This arm is bent, and move 1. Now since we're moving forward on this one, my arm is going to come out straight, but I still have that prep. My palm is facing out. I'm stepping and blocking at the same time in a reverse middle block. This is called 바로 멍통 맞기. And now from here, we're going that direction. So I'm going to turn, look, and prep. Elbows touch together. This foot's going to sweep up as I step. I'll show you slowly. 1, as I block, it's doing this motion. Now it should be happening all at the same time. So it should look like this. Hip transition, 1. Now from here, I'm going to prep for a front kick. Now we're going to front kick and high punch. Now we're going to move in, but we're not going to fall forward. We're going to drop level, then move in. So I do that front kick, 하나, 1. Now look how I drop level, then I move in for that high punch. So I'm punching straight up that line towards the chin, or the filter on the other hand is retracted back to the waist. I have a good front stance. I look, I prep, and low block this way. Make sure that you have forward and 45-degree angle. I have that 45-degree angle right here on this arm. And then from here, preparation. I pivot just slightly. I front kick. 1, see how I drop just slightly. Then you move into that high punch. It's not up here punching Godzilla. I'm punching somebody in the chin that is at level with me. Now from here, I'm looking up this way. I'm prepping, my foot's moving, and you can see that prep right here for that high block, and 1. And make sure that you have that circular motion on that high block. Then same thing on this side, and 2. Little hip twist. Don't overemphasize it, but don't just walk up and go high block here this way, okay? You want to make sure that you still have a little bit of a twist. See, this foot's forward, this foot's at a 45-degree angle. Now from here, I get ready to prep, so I'm going to turn a 270-degree angle this way. So it's going to be a turn. This one's going to be my pivot foot. This one's going to be my turning foot. So high blocking, dropping and prepping, looking over my shoulder, and 1. I have that 270-degree turn. My hand is even with my shoulder. I have that middle block. This is a reverse middle block again. Paro mongtong maki. Now I'm going the other direction. I'm going to lift, look over my shoulder, pivot on this foot, slight adjustment with this foot, and middle block 1. Okay, now from this position, I'm looking back to the back. I'm going to prep. I'm going to move this foot up and slide the way we had done over here to the side. And we're going to do that low block, hana. 1, watch me slow. Move and block, same time, so everything is on level. Now from here, I'm going to bring my hands up this way, and we're going to throw front kick punch, front kick punch, front kick punch. But as we're punching, we're still punching from the waist. So every time I front kick, as I recoil, my hands are going to come to the waist. Then on the other side, to the waist on this side. And then one last time on this side, the others are all going to be middle punches. So high front kick. So got that low block, preparation, hands lift, front kick 1, and punch. See how I get on the recoil, front kick 2, and punch, and then front kick 3, and pa! Okay, and make sure that you are punching right to the solar plexus, not just anywhere. A big mistake is people are punching up here, and like I keep telling them, solar plexus, solar plexus, solar plexus. Like, I'm punching solar plexus. No. Down here, okay? Right at the end of your xiphoid process, okay? Your diaphragm's right behind that. That's commonly referred to as your solar plexus. But we can also refer to it as the xiphoid process. And behind that xiphoid process is your diaphragm, which controls the intake and outtake of air into your lungs. When we hit that, it makes the diaphragm spasm, which in effect causes you to stop breathing for a few seconds. Okay, so that was all the way through by count. Okay, so now let's do it again. Or that was all the way through with details, let's do it by count. Okay, so 차렷, 경매, 천비수기, and 아라마키 하나. Good. 몽텅 지르기 둘. 아라마키 셋. 몽텅 지르기 넷. Good. 바로 몽텅 맞기. Reverse middle block. 다섯. Reverse middle block. 여섯. Good. 아라마키. 일곱. Good. 앞차기. And this is 반대 올리고 지르기. 반대 올리고 지르기 means matching side or lunging punch. And so 요를 and 일곱. There we go. 일곱. 1, 2. Okay. Make sure that you don't stomp. Make sure that you don't fall forward. You should be moving in, and then the other way. A hop. And then you look at my prep. See how I move in right here. Then you hana. And then you tor. See, from here. From here. Not up, from here. Okay. Then you set right here. Then you net. And then you taso. Okay. Low block. And then you ilgab, make sure preparation. 1, 2, see how it's a walking stance. Okay, so that's your yoso, and then your ilgab. 1, 2, and then last one, your yuru. 1, and haro. . And so explaining it and counting it kind of hard, but there's 18 counts on the first of the 2 TaeGeuk patterns. And after that, there are 20 counts, and depending on who you ask, the counts are different. So anyway, we're starting off over here, and we're doing Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang number 2. I'm going to face this way so you can follow along with me. So we're at TaeGeuk, attention, 경례, 준비, turn looking, preparation, and a slow block to the left. Hana. Good. Lift, drop just a little bit, get ready to step in front stance, and punch with your right toe. Make sure your back leg is straight, your front knee's bent, looking over your shoulder, prepping with your right. We're going to step straight back with our right, and low block with our right, and set. Now, we're dropping position, we're lifting our hand up to the solar plexus, and punching, net. Now from here we're going up to the front, preparation, moving this foot, and twisting, hustle, and then preparation, this hand forward, this hand twisted still, and yoso. Now we're going this way right here, preparation, make sure you look on every single turn, moving this foot as we block, you up, then from here, preparation, yoror. 1, 2. Make sure you don't fall in, make sure you slide in, you have that high punch, and then a hold, preparation, and low block, and yor. 1, 2. Okay, see how it's not super high? It's just about filtering level. And then from here, we're going up to the front, yohana, high block, walking stance, yotor, walking stance. Then preparation, right here, and hana, turn 270 degrees, and then prep, turn, adjust, and right there. Okay, so now we have yo doso, okay? No, let me see, that's your net, okay? Now yo doso, so then from right here, yo doso, right here, low block, you see there's that little shift, then yo yoso, 1, 2, yo ilga, 1, 2, and then last one, yo yoro, 1, look at my hands, and paro. Make sure to breathe in, breathe out on your paro. 차려. 경례. Okay, so now let's go all the way through with it, and let's take our time. You ready? And 차려. 경례. 준비. And Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang number 2. This one represents the lake and also focuses on inner discipline and the resolute mind. And ready? 시작! 바로 차려 경례. So make sure you guys are working on that front kick punch, okay? Front kick punch without dropping your head in. And then when you guys are going to the back right here, okay, I'll show you this way. You notice I'm not like dropping in. I'm not taking big steps to kick. I'm right here, and then I did front kick right where I was at. No step, 1, just to pivot, then no step, just to pivot, no step, just to pivot. And we go here this way, same thing, we have that low block. And from here, when I do this preparation, it's 1, then see how I can move in without falling forward, okay? That's important because I don't want to jab and go like this and bring my head in. I want to jab long, and that is a skill that you have to learn to work with, especially when we're punching and kicking. You will see that. You won't fast kick and go in with your head. You're going to keep your head back as we throw that fast kick. Same idea with that jab, same idea with the cut kick. All right, so make sure you practice Poomsae TaeGeuk Jang number 2. This is for advanced yellow belts. Thank you very much. Get to practicing.